Hello, my name is Oscar Javier Jiménez Jiménez, date September 11, 2023, case the Diamond Supermarket. Name and role of characters in the case. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez, founder. María Duque, Joaquín's wife. Pedro, Joaquín's son. Ana, Joaquín's younger daughter. Sofía, Joaquín daughter studying agronomy. Ofelia, Clinic Staff Supervisor. Yasmín, Ofelia, Assistant. Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan Sebastián, Supermarket Employees. Main, main problems that supermarket management face to guarantee success in the market. Competitive pressure. The present of two rival supermarket chains ban for market shares poses a significant challenge. Financial struggles. The supermarket has a cash flow deficit.